Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Datacamp app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Datacamp is a learning app focused on data science, analytics, and programming. It offers interactive courses in Python, R, SQL, and more, tailored for both beginners and experienced users. The app includes bite-sized lessons, coding practice in browser, and real-world projects to apply concepts. Users can also track their skill progress and earn certificates for completed courses. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is clean and user-friendly. Lessons are short and engaging, making it easy to learn on the go. Many users like the interactive coding exercises and structured learning paths, which help them stay consistent. Offline downloads are also a plus for studying without internet access. However, there are a few limitations. Some users feel the mobile version lacks the full functionality of the desktop site, especially for hands-on projects. The app also leans more toward beginners, so advanced learners may find the content too basic. And while you can start for free, much of the content is behind a paywall. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Datacamp is a solid choice if you're looking to learn data skills through interactive lessons on your phone. It's beginner-friendly, well-organized, and helps build real coding habits. But for more advanced users or those wanting full project access, the desktop version might be a better fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.